going on, y'all? Adam Diaz here, Russ Darrow Nissan in Milwaukee. Hey, I'm trying to be a little bit quiet because we got customers, but I'm about to see if my salespeople know they grills, all right? So let's see if JP knows his grill. Hopefully he over here working. Come on. Hey, JP, I want to see if you know your grills. So let's see if you can tell me what vehicle this is.
It's a Murano.
Good. All right. What about this one?
It's an Aria.
Man, this guy knows his stuff. What about that?
That is a Titan.
Look at the boy. How about this one?
That is a Rogue.
Nice job. You got one more, bro, and you do win something if you get this one.
That is a Sentra.
It's actually an Altima, so you got one wrong. You got one more, J Pizzle.
It's a Kick.
Nice, man. Good job. You got 5 out of 6, man.
Sit in, man. Come on. Thank you.
Hey, y'all, I'm gonna find somebody else. Give me a little bit. What up, y'all? I found somebody. Hey, B, how you doing today, man? I know you don't sell cars, but you clean them. So let me see if you know what you're cleaning out there, bro. I'm gonna show you a grill, all right? And I want you to guess what car that is. What car you think that is right there?
That's Ultima.
Oh, that's Murano. What about that?
Aria.
He owns one of those guys. That's cheating. How's your Aria?
Charger.
Loves it. What that look like to
Titan.
you?
That's a Titan.
Let's go. Good job, man. How about that one?
That's a Versa.
Nope. That's actually a Rogue.
That's a Sentra. No, Ultima.
You get the same thing as your brother. It's Ultimate, but you got it right, man. I'm going to give you that point. One more, brother.
That's a Kicks.
Man, good job, man. Ding, 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 ding. Hey, y'all, come on down. Let's see these grills. Russ Darrow Nissan in Milwaukee, man. Ask for AD, Adam Diaz.